Hello and welcome to the IT Voice for one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology, from cutting edge and product launches from breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. We have got all covered. From starting today, we are adding something new, a daily AI tool or a tip to help your work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So our lead story today is a big one of travelers. The Indian Railway has launched a brand new all-in-one app called RailOne that brings together everything from a ticket bookings and train tracking into a single platform. More on that in a bit, but first let's dive into today's top tech 7 headlines. Now before we move on to headlines, like, share and subscribe to the channel for all tech updates. Now, first up, Nothing launches Phone 3 and Headphone 1's tonight. UK-based tech brand Nothing is set to unveil its much-awaited Phone 3, its first ever Headphone 1 tonight at 10:30 p.m. IST. The Phone 3 is rumored to feature a Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 chipset, a revamped Glick, a matrix design, and dual 50-megapixel cameras with a possible India price to 50k to 60k. It promises 7 years of security updates and uses a premium material. The Headphone 1 will likely sport and transparent a retro look. The audio by KEF event will stream live on YouTube and Nothing website. Now, Apple in talks with the OpenAI and Anthropic to upgrade Siri. Now, Apple is reportedly negotiating with the OpenAI and Anthropic to power a new, more capable Siri using LLM hosting Apple's private cloud. This would allow Apple to boost Siri intelligence without compromising user privacy. Apple may temporarily pause an internal model development for this transition. However, tensions are rising internally. Top engineers are leaving and some teams are threatening to quit over Apple's AI strategy. Apple is still testing its own LLM Siri project targeting a 2025 rollout. Google Cloud appoints a Sashikumar Sreedharan as India's MD. Google Cloud has appointed Sashikumar Sreedharan as its new India's managing director, succeeding in Bikram Singh Bedi, a tech veteran with over 30 years of experience at Microsoft, SAP, and IBM. Sridharan joined a Google Cloud in 2023 as CEO of APAC. His new role focuses on scaling enterprise AI and supporting India's growing developer community. Google Cloud India has grown rapidly with the clients like HDFC Bank, Nisho, and Dream11 adopting its first AI tool. Now, Google issues AI Playbook for engineers. Google has revealed as internal AI Playbook for standardized AI tool using across engineering teams. This comes over 30% of a Google code is now AI generated and boosting developer productivity by at least 10%. Engineers are encouraged to use internal look like Goose, an AI assistant trained in a Google Technical Archives, as well as the Gemini Code Assist, Gemini CLI, and Gemini in Android Studio. The move reflects Google deeper at first culture. OpenAI clarifies no plans to use a Google TPUs at scale. OpenAI has confirmed that it's testing Google TPU V5 and V6 chip, but has no plans to adopt them to scale. Adopting TPUs would require major changes to software infrastructure, which the company is not pursuing immediately. OpenAI continues to rely on NVIDIA's and AMD GPUs at developing its own AI chip, expected to reach to tape out later this year. Despite being competitors, OpenAI uses a Google Cloud for some services. Microsoft begins rolling out Windows 11 25H2 update. Microsoft has started rolling out the Windows 11 update to insider preview user, marking the first major OS to upgrade 2025. This update reduces update size by 40%, improving download speed and lowering storage usage. A new embedded package system also smoother, low downtime installation similar to a regular monthly update. Two currently limited to tester 25H2 will be released widely its compatible device later in 2025. Now that you are caught up to headlines, let's shift gear to check out something that could make digital life a lot smarter. Today's AI tool of the day is Cursor AI, a next generation coding assistant built right into your IDE. Unlike traditional Copilot tools, Cursor in a context aware of Project Smart. It helps developers generate code, fix bugs, and even reflector files with a natural language prompts, whether you are coding in a Python, JavaScript, and Rust. Cursor is streamlined with the whole process and integrates seamlessly with the VS Code. Want to try it? We are linked in a cursor in description below. Give it a go and let us know in how transform your coding is a workflow. Lead story of the day is a RailOne super app launch. The Ministry of Railways has launched a new super app called RailOne, a one-stop solution for all railway services in India. Flag of the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, the app replaces a multiple older apps of bringing everything under one roof, reserved and unreserved, and platform tickets, booking, PNR status, real-time train tracking, coaching positions, and even a freight inquiries. Developers by CRIS RailOne is available for free on Android and iOS, and the final version of the beta launch in a Sur Rail app. It also integrates a food ordering and a complaint result via a Rail Mother and refund request for cancelled and missed journeys. The make payments easier. There is a R wallet, and for security, the app supports MPIN and a biometric login plus single sign and one let user access to other apps like IRCTC and Rail Connect and UTS using just one login. With the multi-logging and a support and clean interface, RailOne aims to make the train travel in India smarter, smoother, and more passenger-friendly than ever. Leads to And that's a wrap on today's Tech Bulletin. I'm Rini Gupta, and that is the IT Voice where we break down in a tech in a minute and jargon. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to IT Voice for more such tech updates.